In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Scannable to scan photos of your math work and then to submit those photos as a single PDF to Schoology. All right, I'm going to start by opening the Scannable app. It's blue with the white butterfly on it. Here it comes. The first thing Scannable starts to do is looking for a document, looking for a document, looking for a document. Before we do anything, let's set a few options, and I'm going to click on the three white ellipses in the bottom left. Lighting, auto should be fine. Capture is set to auto, which means it looks for your photos. I kind of like it on manual, where I now have this little white circle I can use. You might want to experiment with both and see what works best for you. The other setting I like to do is, again, click on those three ellipses, go to settings, and it's really important for your file type to be set to PDF. What that's going to do is to take all of the photos that get scanned in and put them in a single PDF, and then it's that single PDF that you'll be submitting to a Schoology assignment. All right, let's start. Again, I'm in manual mode, so I'm going to just put my Scannable, the camera, over the top of the first page of my homework. Just imagine there's some beautiful math work there, and I'll click that white circle to take the photo. It always takes a few seconds for it to process, so you have to be patient with that. Again, if you like the auto mode, try it. A lot of people prefer that. I'm just a manual person myself, and it's going to take a little time, and then it's done with its processing, and there's my page. All right, I want to take the second page of my math work, so I'll come over. Again, I'm on manual mode, so I'll click that white circle. Once I have my page lined up, it's going to be doing some work. Again, it takes a few seconds. You can take as many photos of as many pages as you need to. What's going to happen then, as soon as you've taken the last page, for me it's page 2 here, once it's done processing, here we go. You'll notice there's a small blue circle in the bottom right with a white check mark. So you're going to click that when you're done. And now this is saying I just have these 2 photos that I'm including in my PDF. Look at the bottom in the center, and I'm going to change the name. It just says like Scannable document. So I'm going to change that to something a little bit more meaningful for me. I'm going to call it assignment number 1.1 and then just use my name. That might be enough. Just something for you too, for your own reference. That will be what this PDF is going to be called when it gets submitted to Schoology. I also double check that it's set to PDF. Look right by the name and you see a little PDF there. Okay, I'm ready now to send this. So I'm going to click send. And I have 2 options to email or share. I'm going to click share. And I'm going to look through what apps on my iPad I can share it with. And I'm really looking for Schoology. It's not there right away, so I'm going to click on the 3 ellipses and then scroll down my options, and there I see copy to Schoology. So I'll go ahead and click that, and that's nice. It brings Schoology right up. And I can say I'm going to submit this to an assignment. So you can click on that. Now mine looks a little bit different here because this is my Schoology, and I don't have the Algebra 1 or my math course showing up here. You would have yours. So you would go ahead and click that course. Math, for me, it's going to be algebra. For you all, it's going to be Algebra 1. It might be pre-algebra, Math 7. And then select the assignment that you want to submit this to, click submit, and you're off and running. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, and we're going to be practicing this as our first homework assignment in class.